Welcome to Cameron Highlands. Cameron Highlands is located in the Pahang state of Malaysia. If you haven't been there, you can think of it as a quaint little hill station that is popular with tourists who are looking to escape the heat and noise of Kuala Lumpur. Acres and acres of tea estates, some strawberry fields, bee farms, and resorts perched up in the mountains is what you'll generally find. Although you can find a lot of eateries in the town square, I wanted to eat something different. So, an hour away towards Perak, I went to eat noodles from a random Google Map discovery, Aunty Noodle Shop. More precisely, this Pan Mee, or also known as Banmian. These are usually handmade noodles served in a broth made from anchovies and Sayur Manis leaves, which are very indigenous to that part of the world. What makes this unassuming home-style restaurant special is their tricolor noodles. Although they now make it on a machine, but the intent is still to deliver a warm bowl of happiness that you can slurp on.
One type is just slice. This is traditional, we slice, we cook. So 3 types.
Here you can see the owner explaining to me how they laminate the dough to get the proper chewy texture.
Oil.
Okay.
And then some sugar, this one.
Okay.
And then mix. After rest, and then I start this one. So we'll smooth. This is no smooth. So this one is smooth. Look, very smooth. Smooth. Look, the difference. So the water must be like
We can see how he serves a portion of these noodle soup. Into the boiling water goes the freshly cut noodles. Let them sit in the sauna for a bit and then transfer them to the boiling broth.
this is original color.
Finally,
White color.
top it up with some boiled shiitake mushrooms, chopped scallion, and a spoonful of ikan bilis / anchovies.
Okay, just finish. Okay.
So, if you ever visit Cameron Highlands in Malaysia, skip the town square and instead look for a random noodle shop tucked away inside a tiny village. Maybe you'll also find your bowl of noodles just like I did.